Bánh khọt.
Bánh khọt.
Bánh khọt.
Bánh khọt. Is that okay? Wow, what a drive along the foreshore of Vũng Tàu early in the morning at the weekend. Now, I've arrived at this amazing little mum and pup bunker place, and it's at 137 Maktin Chi. Now, what's bunker? I can't really say it properly. It's a difficult one, but here it is here. It's like a mini pancake, and this part here, it's made out of rice batter, a rice mix that they use, and then it's cooked on the little pan over there, specially made pan, and then topped with shrimp. Sometimes in Vung Tàu it's topped with muk, and then on top of that is shallots, and this stuff here is like a ground shrimp powder that they sprinkle on top. Now, how do you put it together? Well, typically you just get either a leaf, a lettuce leaf, or one of these big mustard leaves here, and some of these herbs, like a basil, Vietnamese basil here, for example. So I might just use some lettuce. Now, I've also got here some papaya, I think it is, and they call it doo-doo, I think it's called, and this goes into the fish sauce just here. There's some nước mắm in here. So what the deal is you just put a bit of that in, mix it in, press that in there like that. Add a little bit of chili, just a little bit. Chuck a bit of that in there if you're into your spice, which we are. And let's get one of these. Now, I'm going to do my best to wrap one of these babies. So Mr. Lom is going to show us how it's really done. Ah, just like a cigarette. Okay. Whoa. Okay. So this one, put that there. Oh, this is like the fish. Đắp cá. So it's a leaf that I think you really only come across in this part of the region and Vietnam, and it's đắp cá, and ga is đắp cá, and ga is fish, and it has the sort of pungency and yeah, the smell of fish. Actually, a lot of people don't actually really like it, but we'll chuck that in anyway. And more basil, just like that, and turn it this way, I think, and roll up. That up here. Okay, and then just he rolled it like a cigarette, like a big ass cigar, and then dip it in this sauce here. Look at that. I put a fair bit of chili in anyway, so it's very tasty. Here we go. It's so good. So you've got the fried of the bánh khọt, and then the seafood, of course, the shrimp, the taste of the sea, and then the herbs as well. So. And this is a breakfast. This is generally eaten for breakfast.
cháo cá mì.
What a brekkie. Amazing brekkie. Now Mr. Lom and his wife, Miss Boy, they live here. They actually live here. So every day they set up their shop and they cook until they run out. And it has no name. This place has no name, like a lot of places in Vung Tàu. The thing I find about this place is that it's not one of those big, massive joints that you see in the touristy areas of Vung Tàu. In those places, they just churn out thousands of these things each day, and they tend to be a bit oily and mass-produced. Whereas, obviously, this one here is a homemade one, and they take a lot of care and a lot of pride in what they make here. And look at the quality of this. Amazing. I think we'll have another one, huh? Yeah? Okay? Okay. Wow, what an awesome experience at this place. It's mum and pop setups like this in the back streets and quiet neighbourhoods of Vung Tàu that just make travelling here such a pleasure. Now for 30,000 dom, that's about $1.50, you get your breakfast and it's beautifully cooked. I've had a ton of bun cart before and I'll tell you what, this is right up there. Okay, so my mission continues to find some more of this great food around the back streets and alleyways of Vung Tàu. So come with me.